What about safety on the road? Red mechanic expert Dan is with you again, and today I want to explain to you how important it is to check the condition of the truck's steering system on time, because it provides control and maneuverability of the vehicle. A bad system can lead to a lack of control and an accident, so let's begin. Initially, you need to check the wheels themselves from all sides for the presence of defects. Next, you need to check that there are no missing parts and that all bolts are tightened. Free play of the wheel should not be more than 10 degrees. Come down to the steering box, which has an especially important role, controlling the movement of the truck. Check for leaks, especially fluid tanks. When we get to pitman arm, we ensure all bolts are in place and there is no rust on them. Check the drag link, its mobility, and the absence of free play. At the rear, check the join, bolt, axles, and steering arm that connects the wheels to each other so they don't wobble. Remember, according to PTI, once a day we must check the steering system so that if there are any defects, you have time to get to the first truck shop before it is completely out of order. And that, as you know, is fraught with serious consequences. Are you unsure about the condition of your truck's steering system? We recommend that you have it checked by an experienced mechanic. Download the Red Mechanic app for free so that you don't lose any useful tips and features for truck drivers, all in one app.